This video, we're gonna remove this old letter, the South Florida fishing family. I started moving some a little bit. And all I'm gonna be using is this Revlon hair dryer, my wife's hair dryer, Revlon. See, old cheap hair dryer, whatever it is. And we're gonna heat this up and we're gonna peel it all off, okay? With this little plastic little, whatever this is right here. Like a little spatula, a little plastic spatula. We use this Revlon, little cheap Revlon hair dryer. I started taking some off. And I'm gonna show you. We're gonna take this off and we're gonna put the new name. We're not South Florida fishing family anymore. We are real life fishing.
Real life.
A new name on it. So we're gonna take this off, wash the boat up, get it nice and dry, and put a new name on both sides. All right, so this is how you take off lettering off the side of your boat. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how to take it off. If you ever wonder how to take this lettering off the side of your boat, this is how you do it, okay? I'm gonna warm it up a little bit. Put the hair dryer on max. I got the hair dryer on max. I'm gonna warm it up a little bit. It's gonna peel right off. Like this, my little spatula. It's called peeling off. See, it's that easy. Just that easy. All right. So we're gonna finish the rest of this, get this boat washed up, and we're gonna show you how we put the new lettering back on. Okay. Alright, so I got it all off. All the words off. So we're gonna wash it. I'm gonna try and buff it a little bit. Try to get some of the glue out. And then that's it. We're gonna put the new lettering back on. Okay? So we'll see you in a bit. Alright, so what I'm doing is I'm using a buffer and some of this one-step compound to marine RV compound to take off some of the oxidation off the side. So this is where the South Florida fish family used to be. So now you can't really see it because I buffed it out a little bit after I washed it. So that's what I'm doing to both sides so I can get a nice, clean, smooth surface, get some of the oxidation off, and then I wipe it down with this microfiber towel so I can get a nice surface to put it on, to put the new stickers on. All right, so that's what I'm doing. I'm gonna get new stickers on both sides. I'm gonna wax the other side. And I'm gonna show you how I do it. So you kind of see the South Florida fish family a little bit, but it's pretty much gone now. So I'll wax the other side, put the sticker on this side, and I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. All right. life fishing.
Real life. Real life.
It's a new name. Real life fishing.
Oh yeah.
That's it. Touching up a little bit. It's kind of missed. That's it. There it goes.